fire is first. Okay, fire is fast, and then fire is? Okay, hot, fire is? Dark, and then fire is? Deadly. Okay.
I remember when I was a kid, okay? Being a fire volunteer started with a dream. A simple dream of riding a fire truck, helping someone, and being there for everyone. Then, as I grew up, obviously, okay, this dream becomes a habit, okay? A habit of helping other people, okay? Then, when I entered the brigade, this habit became a character, okay? This character is what we need in our community, okay? So, as young ones, we encourage you to dream until it becomes a habit, and then as we go on with our lives, this will become a character. So as we start in our small, simplest capacity, let us help one another and try to be safe for everyone. Okay. Good morning. On behalf of the Tarlac Filipino Chinese Volunteer Fire Brigade, we are happy to be here to share our knowledge and somehow educate the public, especially the young ones.
And the other hand should hold the table. Hold the table. You hold the table. Okay? So by doing this, kahit na lumilindol, pag hawak nila yung lamesa, hindi sila matatamaan ng mga debris. Diba? So, under the table, they are protected. Covered yung buong body nila, especially yung head. And, of course, hindi sila tatamaan ng mga debris. Okay? So, ganun siya ka starting. Diba? Now, let's say, ginawa nyo yung duck cover. Ang problem, hindi nyo hinold. Kuha pala si Libro. Okay. So, gagawin nila ngayon, huwag nyo hawakan yung libro. Ay, yung table. Okay? You just cover your head. Don't hold the table. Now, lumilindol yan. Pag lumilindol yan, ibig sabihin, gumagalaw, right? So, once na gumagalaw, hindi na sila protected. Pag hindi na sila protected, tatamaan na kayo dito. Okay? So, what you need to do is, you duck, cover, and hold on the table.